All right, guys, today I'll bring you portable soldering kit. Here's what comes in the box. This is very convenient to have you work fixing computers or electronics or jewelry. This is very convenient because this has a stand for your soldering kit. This brings a manual to show you everything you need to know about it, how to turn it on, turn it off in different languages, and what every button does, which is cool. Like I said, it's a wireless, so this is how it looks. It's like a pen, big pen. It's my hand, a small hand, so it's pretty small. USB-C right here to charge. Has a USB-A to USB-C cable, so you can charge it with, and you get the tip. Comes in a little box, and you know that is right because when you put it in, only the letter B should be showing. It shouldn't be showing anything else but the letter B. You just push it in and it's there. So like I said, if you work with computers or fixing jewelry or electronics, a soldering kit is always nice to have because, or necessary to have. It's not nice, but if you deal with computers and all that, you're gonna have to change capacitor or chips or whatever, memory, and this will help you bring it with you anywhere. If you have to go to a friend's house to fix the computer, if you then it can bring it to you, then you don't have to bring your whole thing, your whole soldering kit. You'll have a soldering kit that you can bring in and have ready to use, and take it with you everywhere. So definitely recommend it. To turn it on, all you do is press the power button for 3 seconds and you'll see the display start warming up real fast right there. When it gets to 350 degrees, which is like the speed of it, it's going to be really fast. You see the little smoke coming up. It's already hot. I don't know if you see the smoke. Then after that, you can increase by 5 degrees until 840 degrees. That's how hot it gets. So, and then you can use it. Touch it. Yeah, it's really hot. So that's how fast it went. It got to 350 degrees really fast. And then from there, you can just put it whatever hotness you want and work with it. To turn it off, press the button for 3 seconds and it will turn off. Switch. That's pretty nice. I like it because I didn't think it was going to get hot that fast, and it's portable. It depends how you use it. In the lowest settings, you will go longer, obviously, and if you put it to the highest temperature, then it will be the shorter time that you have to use it. You have 1100 milliamp battery, so it's a pretty big battery for a small device, so it should last you a long time in the lowest temperature. So definitely a plus, a big battery, and it will charge probably within an hour, a couple of hours with a USB Type-C and USB-A, which is nice. Definitely recommended for you guys to do computer work or electronics or jewelry or RC cars or stuff like that you need a kit, portable. And if you really want to use it while you work, if you're in the middle of it and the battery dies, then you can just plug into electricity and use it while it charges. So for the price, it's a great buy. Check them out. Check the reviews. I hope this video helped, and thank you for watching.